Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making trail mix. So what we have here is some Unreal. They're like M&Ms and they were very hard to find and they are very tasty. And we have some organic salted cashews. They are also good in this trail mix we are going to make. And we have some raisins, organic Thompson raisins we have right here. And we have some organic pretzels. We have some almonds. We have apricots, and we have some butterscotch chips. So first we put the Unreal. They're like M&Ms, way healthier. Those in. Those are great. Now we put the cashews. Now we put the organic Thompson raisins. And now we put the pretzels. And we put the almonds. And the dried apricots. And the butterscotch chips. So now we get the wooden spoon and we mix it all together. This looks amazing. We go from the bottom up so we can get all those sweet, salty, and savory flavors. So now we are going to try it. Let's try. That is great. That is really good. So I really recommend you making trail mix. It's you can have anything in it really. Like I really like sweet, salty, and savory. That's my kind of trail mix. And like and subscribe my video, hit the notification bell, and I will see you next time. See you guys.